Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to measure distance on Google Maps. So for this you can first open the Google Maps. Make sure your location it has been on. So when it's open, so I will just hold it my location where I have go from. So I will just mark up and you will it's a Faisal Guman road. You can just swipe up for more settings. You will see the measure distance, so you will have to just click to measure distance. So you can just mark with your fingertips. So I will just mark where I have gone through. So I will just mark and you will add point. So I will just add point, and now again I will start and I set to accurate location and just add point. So this is how to measure distance. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.